All right, so moving right along to solving a one-step word problem using the formula. So Bob is riding a bicycle. He rides for 27.5 kilometers at a speed of 11 kilometers per hour. Per hour, for how many hours does he ride? So if we have the distance equals rate times time, they give us the kilometers, so that's the distance. So 27.5 equals the 11 kilometers per hour, and we are solving for the time. So we just need to divide both sides. I'm just going to divide both sides by 11 because I'm writing on a slant. Divided by 11. So we're just solving for the time. So it says it's about 2.5 hours. So $2.5 hours. And there you go. Again, if that confused you in any way, click on the explanation. All you're doing is figuring out what you're solving for. So this one is asking for, it's one of the things that I also talk about in pre-algebra and algebra, just knowing what you're answering, okay? So this time we're looking for miles, so that means we're looking for distance. So we can put everything directly into this form. So you just always have to make sure that either you label, sometimes it helps to label that one as time and this one is the rate. And you can also start to label after you look at the explanation. That helps. All right, so the distance is going to be the 62.5 multiplied by the 5 hours. And I'm just going to use my calculator. I know you have to use the ALEKS calculator. And it's good to practice with all kinds of calculators because they all sometimes can be different. So 312.5 miles. And let's do one more. So this time we are looking for the speed. So this would be the rate. So we need to, and this is good practice to solve for variables, especially if you're getting into anything higher in mathematics. So all we need to do is undo the multiplication and divide by the time. So the distance divided by the time is equal to the rate. And so we have the distance is 460 miles, and that is a 4 divided by 9 hours, and it's equal to the rate. So 460.8 divided by 9 is 51.2 miles per hour. .2. And I like how ALEKS puts that up there for you. Okay? So don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.